Alright, if you have seven total elements, and you can't distinguish any one element from the other, and you want to get 2 elements in order without order mattering, you basically are saying you take one of these and you're going to count all the different pairs you have with this specific one, no matter where it is in the in the order. And so for this, you count the remaining ones you have, and you would have 6, and then you take it completely out of equation and take a new one and count the remaining ones you have, and so you would have 5, and you would go so on until you run out of options total. And if you were to do it with 7, you would get 21 for 2 elements. And if you do it with 3 elements, you basically just extend that process. You take 2 out of here and count the remaining ones you have, and you would get rid of the second element temporarily with the new one counting the remaining ones. And once you get through all those orders, you would take out the very first one, because you would have all the different elements for 3 with that first one, and start with the new first one and second one and go through the process again. It takes a little bit longer, but it's still basically the same thing. And for 4 elements, you're doing the exact same thing as 2 and 3. You're just giving it a third one, count through all the 3 ones, replace the third one until you get through those. Eventually you replace the second one in the order, and then you get to the first one, and by that time you won't have very many options left, and you basically just run through them all. Oh, yeah, and if we were going to give them a characteristic, these have colors to them. And so one characteristic we gave is that we said the characteristic of red, in which we have 3 red ones. And if we're going to select 2 elements out of these, with order not mattering, you would basically be taking the same process. It's a lot shorter. You'd take this one, all the possibilities with it, which would be 2, rule this one out of play, take this one, and you only have 1 more, which leaves you with 3 total orders that you could have, since order does not matter.